Experience affordable comfort at Premiere Classe Belfort in Danjoutin. Welcome to Premiere Classe Belfort, a budget-friendly one-star hotel located in the charming town of Danjoutin, France. With its convenient location and comfortable accommodations, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers seeking affordable comfort. At Premiere Classe Belfort, you can expect a hassle-free check-in experience starting from 12 p.m. The friendly and professional staff will be ready to assist you upon your arrival, ensuring a smooth start to your stay. The checkout time is until 12 p.m., allowing you to have a leisurely morning before bidding farewell to this cozy hotel. With 68 well-appointed rooms, Premiere Classe Belfort offers a range of accommodations to suit your needs. Whether you are traveling solo, as a couple, or with a group, you will find comfortable and clean rooms that provide a relaxing atmosphere. Each room is thoughtfully designed with modern amenities, ensuring a pleasant stay for every guest. Please note that Premiere Classe Belfort has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. It is advisable to contact the hotel directly for more information regarding the child policy and any additional fees that may apply. Experience affordable comfort and warm hospitality at Premiere Classe Belfort. Book your stay today and enjoy a relaxing and convenient stay in Danjoutin, France. Stay active at Premiere Classe Belfort's sports facilities. Premiere Classe Belfort in Danjoutin, France, offers a range of sports facilities to keep guests active during their stay. Nestled amidst breathtaking natural surroundings, this hotel is the perfect base for outdoor enthusiasts. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the picturesque hiking trails that wind through the nearby forests and mountains. Whether you are a seasoned hiker or a beginner, there are trails suitable for all levels of experience. Immerse yourself in nature's beauty as you trek through lush greenery, discover hidden waterfalls, and breathe in the fresh mountain air. With the hotel's convenient location, you can easily access these trails and embark on a memorable hiking adventure. Convenience at its finest, Premiere Classe Belfort's top-notch facilities. Premiere Classe Belfort in Danjoutin, France, offers an array of convenience facilities to ensure a comfortable and hassle-free stay for its guests. With room service available, you can indulge in delicious meals and snacks without leaving the comfort of your room. Whether you're craving a late-night snack or a hearty breakfast, the hotel's room service is just a phone call away.